What part of the brain is affected by alcohol and impaired judgment? Have you ever wondered how alcohol impacts your brain and decision-making? Let's break it down in a simple way. Alcohol primarily affects two key areas of the brain, the cerebral cortex and the frontal lobes. These regions are essential for judgment, decision-making, and controlling impulses. The cerebral cortex is responsible for processing sensory information and higher-level thinking, like reasoning and problem-solving. When alcohol enters the system, it slows down the functioning of the cerebral cortex. This slowing can lead to impaired thinking and poor decision-making. You might notice that after a few drinks, your ability to evaluate situations clearly diminishes. This impairment often results in risky behaviors and reduced inhibitions, making people more talkative and overconfident. Now, let's talk about the frontal lobes. These are located at the front of the brain and play a vital role in managing emotions, behavior, and impulse control. Long-term alcohol use can cause damage to the frontal lobes. This damage can lead to changes in personality, emotional instability, and challenges in controlling impulsive actions. This is why many people who struggle with alcohol addiction often face difficulties in making sound judgments. Alcohol also disrupts communication between brain cells by altering the brain chemicals that regulate mood, coordination, and cognition. This disruption can slow reaction times and affect emotional responses, sometimes resulting in mood swings. Another area impacted by alcohol is the hippocampus. This region is crucial for forming new memories. When someone drinks heavily, they may experience blackouts or memory loss because the hippocampus cannot function properly. Lastly, the cerebellum, which controls balance and motor coordination, is also affected. This can lead to increased chances of falls and accidents while intoxicated. In summary, the effects of alcohol on the cerebral cortex and frontal lobes are central to the impaired judgment often seen in alcohol use. Damage to these areas reduces a person's ability to evaluate situations properly and control impulses. Understanding how alcohol affects the brain is essential for addressing alcohol misuse and preventing long-term cognitive and behavioral issues.